Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you something very interesting. So I'm right now in Candolim and I'm going to be showing you this authentic Goan snack food place, which I'm going to be trying a local delicacy here, which is called the Ras Omelette, which is basically eggs, fried eggs, and a shakuti gravy, which is a chicken shakuti gravy. So we're going to go to this place and I'm going to show you the place. I'm going to show you what else they have. So if you're in Candolim, you want to have some good street food or snack food, then definitely come to this place. I will show you all that they have. So let's go and check it out, guys. So guys, they have all these different kind of foods available at this place. So the thing which you're going to try is this ras omelette. And yeah, as they have all these, they have chicken kafrial, they have fish thali, chicken thali. So if you're in this area in Candolim and you want to have a good place, don't worry, I'll put the link in the description below. So guys, this is the place. They have a little seating area here, and at the moment there is no electricity, but I'm just going to go inside and show you what they have. So let's see, they have all these different kinds of things. They have chicken samosa, egg chops, grilled cheese sandwich, chicken samosas, all these Goan kind of snacks which are available here. And that's the owner. Hi Batra. So that's the owner over here. So if you come say that you saw my video and you came here, and we're going to try out the ras omelette now. So can I get one ras omelette? Yeah, so he'll bring it up. Yeah, so he's going to get me the ras omelette and then we are going to check it out. So these are other dishes they have. What is this?
Puri bhaji.
This is puri bhaji. Okay, so puri bhaji. Wait 1 second, let me just check it. So they have puri bhaji here and all these kind of stuff as well. So as I showed you the menu, and they have much more things. They have all these Goan vegetable bhajis and stuff like that, and they also have milkshakes. What else? Okay, so he's showing us the menu. So they have all these kingfish fry, lepo fry, bangda fry. So all these are the different things that are available at this place. So let's just stick the thing in the light, because so they have all these things on the menu. So fish, kingfish thali is 350, bangda thali. So they'll be giving you like a big portion. So definitely come and check this out. Let's try out the ras omelette now and see what it's like, guys. So guys, we're just waiting for my meal to come here, because I actually didn't have my lunch. So this is something which you have as a street food, but I'm so hungry, I'm going to try it out now. And he's going to get my dish, so I'm waiting for it. And you can get milkshakes, juices, all that kind of stuff here as well. So let's just wait for my ras omelette and try it out. So guys, this is the famed ras omelette. Okay, so they come with crispy bread, it comes with some onions, and it comes with this delicious ras omelette. See the gravy. So this is a rich gravy, which is a chicken shakuti gravy, and this is the omelette which is here. So let's try it out, and I'm so hungry. So let's get into it and dig into it, guys. So guys, we are going to get into this amazing looking dish, which is the ras omelette. And as you can see, the gravy is glistening. I'm going to put some onions. That's how you do it. I got myself a Bonvita as well, because you know I need my energy. Delicious. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to put the onions on top. Once you put the onions, you're going to squeeze the lemon on top and get a nice yeah, that's what you get. Okay, and okay, let's get into this. It's going to be delicious. I don't know how to explain it, but it is so good. You know, I've traveled all over the world, and whenever I travel, this is something I always crave for. It's a bit spicy, but it's absolutely delicious, and something my mouth's literally watering because it's so good. Absolutely. World class, guys, world class. So something that I missed to tell you guys is the price, so I'll mention that last. Let me just get into this beautiful ras omelette, as you can see. So let's just see. I'm just enjoying it. So look at that deliciousness on a plate, guys. So I'll go ask the owner some questions after that, and let me finish this and dissect this for you guys and tell you how good it is. Beautiful. So something I missed to tell you guys is there's a lot of ras omelettes all over town, but there's very few people that have the authentic local gravy that goes with it, which is the shakuti. It's a base of coconut. Coconut based curry, and it's so good. It's coconut, it has green chili, coriander, just, and the lime just takes it to the next level. So yeah, delicious. So stay tuned, I'm gonna ask the owner some questions and we'll get more details with like the price and everything, guys. So guys, this is the restaurant, which is called Hot and Cold Juice Center Restaurant. So definitely come and check it out. Now let's go and ask the owner the price. So Badram, how much is the ras omelette?
Roast omelette is 60 rupees.
So ras omelette is 60 rupees. What else do you have? So
Chicken chapati, chicken kafir.
so these are all Goan things.
Yeah.
Yes, chicken shakuti, kafriyal. What else you have?
Pav bhaji, Bombay pav bhaji, like local stuff like patar bhaji, tamar bhaji, salad bhaji,
Okay.
chana masala and all.
So Goan food, what is that? Kafriyal.
Chicken kafir, chicken shakuti, roast omelette.
Okay. What are the prices of the kafriyal?
Kafir is 170 rupees for whole leg piece.
Okay. And what else is there?
Chicken shakuti is there 110 rupees plate.
Okay. And what else is there?
Roast omelette like
That is 60 rupees.
60 rupees.
Okay.
Like we got fish curry rice also with different fishes like fish fry like chana, kingfish, mackerel.
So this is the first time he's talking with a mic, so it's something new for him anyway. So yeah. So fish, all fresh fish.
Yeah, all every day new catches every day.
Okay. So guys, this is it from the store here. So let me just show you again with the light. That time the lights were not there. So these are all Goan snacks, and this is all Goan food. So if you want to come and try some authentic Goan food and Goan snack food and everything, definitely come here and try it out. The owner is omelette, hot and cold. Yes, I've already said that. So come here, meet the owner, Mr. What's your name? Narayan. Okay, so meet Mr. Narayan here, and he'll be more than happy to serve you guys. Yeah, he's a gentleman here. So that is it, guys, from here in Candolim.